Hello guys and welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'm going to cover how to solve and graph one-step inequalities. Now when we solve inequalities we want to isolate the variable. We isolate the variable to get it by itself on one side of the inequality. We do that by using inverse operations, opposite operations. So this is just like when we solve equations. So now once we solve the inequality we can grab the solutions of all the values that make the inequality true. Let's jump into number 1, where we have x plus 7 is less than 15. Now to isolate the variable, we're gonna subtract 7 from both sides, like this. These two cancel each other out, so we are left with our variable. Now, x is less than 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7 is 8, so this should be our answer. Now, of course, we can check this number if our answer is right by plugging some number below 8 into our variable. We're going to use 7. So we're going to do 7 plus 7 equals 14. And as you can see, it is below the 15. So this means that our answer is correct. Now we are going to graph our inequalities. Now remember, when it comes to graphing inequalities, a built circle shows that we are including that number. And then an open circle shows that we are not including that number. So for this one, let's quickly draw a number line with 8 in the middle, like this. So let's draw our number line real quick, like this. We're going to put 8 in the middle and some numbers to the left and to the right of it. So we have 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this is our number line. And at this number line, we are not including 8 because it is a less than 8 symbol and not a less or equal to 8. So we're gonna draw it with an open circle like this. Let's make it a bit thicker so you guys can see it a bit better. And then we take it to the left because our answer is x is less than 8, like this. So our graph is going to look like this for the first example. And that's basically it. That's basically it, guys. This is how you solve and graph the inequalities. But now let's go to the second example. For the second example, we have a minus 5 is greater than or equal to 2. So to do this, we're gonna isolate our variable, of course. We're isolating our variable by using plus 5 on both sides, like this. These two cancel each other out, so we are just left with our variable. So a is greater than or equal to 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 equals 7, so this is our answer. Now we can check this if our answer is correct by plugging something which is 7 or above the 7 into our equation or inequality. So let's use 8. So we're going to do 8 minus 5 equals 3. Well, this shows us that our answer is correct because 3 is greater than 2 or equal to 2. So this shows us that our answer is correct. Now let's go over to how to graph this one. So let's draw a number line again, like this, with 7 in the middle. I'm going to put 7 here and some numbers to the left and to the right of the 7. So we have, oh my bad guys, I did it very ugly, like this. So we have 6, 5, 7, 8, and 9. So at this one, how to graph this one is we are going to take not a closed circle, but we are going to draw we are going to draw a closed circle instead of an open circle. This is because our 7 is included in this one, in our inequality. So for this one, we're going to start by the 7, of course, but this time it's going to be a closed circle. And it's not going to be to the left, it's going to be to the right, because it's greater than or equal to 7, like this. Let's say it was just greater than 7. Then we would have an open circle like the first example. But for this one, because the 7 is included into our answer, you can use a closed circle. Now that was basically the video, guys, on how to solve and graph one-step inequalities. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a question in the comments, and as always, this was Mr. Mathz, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.